Welcome! Today, we'll delve into how to fix videos not playing on Telegram with the latest updates. Let's explore the troubleshooting steps together. Step 1. Check your internet connection to ensure a stable and strong connection for video playback on Telegram. Step 2. Verify that your mobile device supports video playback, as older devices may experience difficulties in playing videos smoothly due to hardware limitations. Step 3. Restart the Telegram app to refresh its functions and address any temporary issues that may be hindering video playback. Step 4. Update the Telegram app to the most recent version available on the App Store to access improvements and fixes that can resolve video playback problems. Step 5. Clear cache and data by accessing your device's settings, locating the Telegram app, and clearing its cache and data. Remember to restart your phone after this process to ensure a clean slate for video playback. Step 6. Check for available storage space on your device, as insufficient storage can impact app performance, including video playback on Telegram. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix videos not playing on Telegram, ensuring a seamless video viewing experience on the platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to address video playback issues on Telegram. Implement these steps to enjoy uninterrupted video sharing and viewing on the app. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides and tutorials. Stay updated on troubleshooting techniques and updates to optimize your messaging and video sharing activities on Telegram.